Hey, what's up guys? Jace over here at Red Digital, and today we're going to discuss blogging. This is going to be nice, short, and sweet, but the gist of the answer is, if you're a business owner, should you be blogging? The reality is, no, you shouldn't, because nobody's reading them. That is one of the biggest things that we always run into as a business owner. We'll bring on a new client, and somewhere as we get going down the road, they will ask, hey, why aren't we blogging? Or why aren't we putting out blogs? And our answer is nobody's reading them anymore. If you take a look at what's happening with blogging, it peaked in probably about 2006 and has dropped off ever since then. People aren't reading near as much, and it's way harder to get your blog ranked. So you're spinning your wheels. So if those people out there are telling you, hey, you can rank number one on Google by just doing blogs, that is not the case. We have found that if you really want to rank on Google, you need to create blogs that are 2,500 plus words. They need to be authoritative on that subject, and then you might get a chance to rank. The reality is, if you rank, that does not mean business. So blogging or ranking websites does not mean that you're going to make sales. And that's kind of where the disconnect. Now, you might get some readers, but at the end of the day, they're not going to sell. So what do you do as a business owner? This is something that we have been focusing on with our customers. Is people are going to Google to find answers. When people pick up their phone, they ask Google questions. They are looking for an answer for something. So what you can do is, we tell our customers, go out there, write down 5 questions that you're getting asked all the time, that you're repeating day after day. And what you're going to do is you're going to create a blog. What I like to do is create a video just like this one. So the question that I get asked is, should we be blogging? Should we worry about SEO? Now, SEO and blogging are kind of two different things. Understand that blogging is where people go out there, they write every day about their experiences, they travel blogs, all that. Okay, there's a little bit of difference between SEO and blogging. Okay, SEO is search engine optimization. But what we recommend our clients do is go out there, write down 5 questions they get. Okay, 5 questions they get asked all the time, and then what they're going to do is answer those questions with a video, just like I'm doing. The question is, should I be blogging? I'm creating a video to answer that question. Okay, once you've answered those 5 questions, then you take your video or you take your article or the answer, you put it online, then you post it on Facebook, you post it on Instagram, you post it on LinkedIn, post it on YouTube, and you optimize it. Okay, once you've done that with those 5 videos, then you're going to, with those 5 questions, then you're going to turn around and do the exact same thing with 5 more questions. And that's your content strategy. You don't need to overthink it. You're just going to answer customer questions. And at the end of the year, if you did 5 questions a month, you're going to have the answer to 60 questions that you can use for your blog, you can use for your social media. And then once you've done that, you have to pay to play. Okay. So this is another concept a lot of people don't know. When you are blogging, that doesn't mean you're going to get readers. When you are posting on social media, that does not mean people are going to see your blogs. Organic reach is over. Everybody has to make you pay to play. Facebook, you have to pay money. Okay, Instagram, you have to pay money. You have to set aside some money. Every time you post something, put aside some money and run some ads to it. That's what I'm doing with this stuff. I will create the video, I will create the post, then I turn around and I will run ads. I'll spend $5, $10 per post and start getting an audience, getting people to see my stuff. If they watch it, then I turn around and show them more stuff. Does that make sense? So is blogging dead? Yes. If you're a business owner and you're currently blogging, stop. Nobody's reading them. Okay, what you need to do is answer questions, write them down, then give the answers, and then by chance you might start ranking. I actually have a year ago, I decided, hey, I'm going to talk about buying YouTube views. I answered the question. A year and a half later, I start ranking on page 1 of Google. I think I'm number 2 spot. Well, everyone was starting to come to me for asking about questions of buy views. So then I turned around and found a way to monetize it. What I did was I created a way for people to buy views right there. And immediately that was $500 a week coming in, and it continues to grow just from a simple question and answer thing that I did about YouTube views. Okay. So I hope that makes sense. If you have questions, let us know. Keep marketing. Good luck and peace.